Okay, everyone, coming out with another special video today. I am going to be teaching you all how to export any model that you would find within old school RuneScape into Roblox Studio as an FBX file. Okay, we're gonna get started just right here with like a basic example, okay? Say I want to take this random jug of wine I guess I was using for agility training recently. Well, look at this. Shift right click, export model, jug of wine. And I'll show you now what it looks like in Blender. But as you see how I had to pick it up off the floor here, basically the reason for that is, to my knowledge and testing, like so far, basically I have not found a way to export any models that you do not find like in the game world itself, so that's just something to note. If it's like a random person or something that's already there, I can export that model, but you can't do it like directly from your bank or inventory, so I just wanted to say that. Okay, now onto the plugin itself. What you're going to need is, you will need to be using RuneLite, a RuneLite client, in order to use this method. I'll probably make an edit in the video with text in the beginning or something, but I forgot to mention that. But anyways, so in RuneLite here, what you need is this plugin called Model Exporter. You're just going to download it, make sure it's turned on in your plugins hub, and then from there I'll show you what's next. Okay, we're gonna hop into Blender, and then we are going to import it as a wavefront.obj. You have to do this is important. Yeah, I would find it in my .runelite folder that the RuneLite client automatically makes for you upon installation, I believe, and then we look for the jug of wine that I used in the example that I placed on the floor, and we have a jug of wine right here. So the reason I'm showing in Blender, and I brought you all into Blender really quick, is because if you were to just render this as a .fbx, which Roblox Studio uses, it wouldn't really be able to be colored as it is now within Studio. It was just like one piece, as you can see. So as a quick example, I'm just going to select these faces. I guess it would look nicer if it's just all entirely red on the inside like a bowl. Okay, so there. So now we could press P, selection. Now we have a separate object here, a separate object here. Awesome. Fine. Okay, export. We get FBX. This is now the file type FBX is what's needed to export to Studio itself. So I'm going to go to my exports folder and export it now. And now I will see you in Studio. Okay, we're back in Blender here, and what you want to do is you just want to make sure all the parts are selected. Press S, scale everything really small. The smaller it is, the higher chance it's actually going to work exported, and then again export as FBX. Alright, we are back in Studio, and we are going to import the new one that we shrunk down. And see, we don't have the file geometry error anymore. Okay, so we couldn't call this wine, but we can call it chug jug, which is pretty epic. Okay, there we go. It was just loading in, so we're gonna scale it down. Well, we don't have to scale it down, but I just wanted to show you that everything is like super big when you import it as FBX usually. Anyways, I'm going to open the Explorer now, and we can take this, for example. Oops, and I need to open the properties window as well. That goes for you as well. If you don't have them open, you'll need to open these to change the color in this method. Anyways, so yeah, now we could see the two items pieced out within the model. And then, for example, we will have a jug of wine, similar to how it would maybe look in the game. So yeah, that was the tutorial, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe. It would really help me keep doing what I'm doing, and I'll see you next time for more.